Hey guys, welcome back to UDCYD. In this series, I will be sharing some valuable information on how to go about starting your import-export business. In today's video, we will focus on some questions and identify the most common reasons of why people want to start their own business. Be it import or export, either or, having your own e-commerce store on platforms such as Shopify, eBay, or Amazon, or simply attempting the dropshipping model. If you have answered yes to all of the following questions by the end of this video, you're on the right path. So the main question of this topic is, why do you want to start your own business? Let's identify the main and most common reasons. First things first would be freedom. And the question is, are you looking to find freedom from your 9-to-5 job? For example, let's say you're a female and you're a teacher. So every day or most days you wake up early, get ready, commute to work, clock in, do your job the best possible way, and at the end of the day you're exhausted and half falling asleep on your way home. You get home, do your chores, have dinner, relax, answer a few messages, check your social media and go to bed. This is your cycle, and then at the end of the month you receive your salary, pay your bills, spoil yourself and others, and you're back at it again with not much savings. So as Robert from Rich Dad Poor Dad would say, you're stuck in the rat race. But believe it or not, back in the day, this was the life of some of our parents, but nowadays we're spoiled for choice. And working in one job, doing the same thing over and over again, every single day is much more difficult. So again, are you looking to find freedom from your 9-to-5 job? If your answer is yes or just curious, let's move on. Our next question is, are you wanting to be your own boss? So there are many reasons why people would want to be their own boss. Most people prefer not to be in situations where they have to take orders from others. It also brings about a sense of achievement as well as personal satisfaction and growth. Our next question is, do you wish for that freedom of doing whatever you like, whenever you like, and wherever you like? So let me just try and spark your imagination for 1 minute. Just think about this. Wouldn't it be great if you could build a business that runs on its own without you being present? Something you could manage anywhere in the world at your own time. It's definitely a dream worth chasing. So question number 4. Do you wish to improve your standard of living? To be frank, more than half of the world would love to improve their standards of living and have more financial independence in order to spend more time with their family or just have extra cash. But unfortunately, fear creeps up on most, and it just becomes another figment of the imagination that fades over time. So if you're still with me, let's take a dive into the last reason or question of why people would want to start their own business. Are you bored of your current job? This question had a lot of people thinking hard during the outbreak of COVID-19, if not for financial reasons as well. If you're stuck in a job you're no longer passionate about, even though you have a master's degree perhaps, and everything seems monotonous, and you have the willpower to be and do what drives you, then you should consider starting your own business. As a wise man once said, passion and consistency breed results. Nowadays we see half the people our age becoming an overnight success over social media. And we hear stories of those that built their businesses from nothing to become one of the world's most famous brands or famous names. And as they say, nothing is impossible. The word itself says possible. In summary, if you have answered yes to all of these questions, you're on the right path. Thanks for listening, and catch us soon for part 2 of this series as we dive deeper into a quick self-analysis.